Welcome to Itz Sirap. In this video, you're going to see me do this beautiful blue glitter cut crease. So I hope you enjoy the video. So here I am applying my foundation primer. And this is going to make sure that the makeup stays on all night. This primer is going to fill in the potholes in our face so that when our makeup goes on, it's going to go on a nice smooth foundation. I'm using the Mary Kay Bronze number 3. Now I'm going in with the Mary Kay Bronze number 1 to highlight. And this is a Real Techniques brush. Now I'm going in with some concealer to continue my highlighting. Okay, y'all know I like a bright, crispy, popping highlight. And I'm just going to use this smaller brush to kind of really get in that under eye area. Now I'm setting everything with some setting powder. And y'all can use whatever y'all want to set it. I like to use like a light powder to set it, and then a powder that's the same color as the foundation to set the foundation color. But you can use the same color all over your face. It's really up to you. Now for the blush, the contour, and the highlight. If y'all are not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. And make sure that y'all join my Facebook groups. I have 1 million Facebook groups, and I've been thinking about trying to consolidate them into one group, but then I might just keep them separate, because I have a separate nail group and a separate makeup group just in case, you know, somebody's only interested in that stuff. So y'all can kind of let me know in the comments if y'all want to keep it separated, or if y'all just want one big Itz Sirap Beauty group where I put everything in, kind of like how I do on the page. Oh yes, and like the page. Like my Itz Sirap Beauty page and my Itz Sirap Accessories page. So now I'm doing the brows, and lately I have been loving my brows. I tweezed them up really nicely, so now when I fill them in, it's just like perfect every time. If y'all want a separate brow tutorial, put it in the comments so I can get it out to you. Y'all know I will do it. So for the eyes, y'all already know, for most of my cut creases where it's gonna be something really crazy on the lid, I like to do just my traditional background where I have the light off-white to white up under the brow bone, that brown in the crease, and like a dark brown or black in the outer V. And then I just pop whatever onto the lid. So I'm going in on the lid with the white NYX and the royal blue eyeshadow and glitter that I'm using. I really wanted it to pop. I was going to, where was I going? I was going somewhere, and probably something for Zeta or for my business. So I wanted that royal blue to pop, okay? So I went in with the white eyeshadow base. So when I put the blue on top of it, the blue would be talking. And then when I put my blue Itz Sirap glitter on top of it, that glitter was just gonna set it off even more. So, yes. So here I'm just starting and I'm just building up this blue. And it's kind of like an ombre, the bright blue fading into the dark blue. And I just make sure I pat that in there so it can stick to that wet eyeshadow base. So it can be all nice and concentrated. And then it's gonna be time to apply the glitter. Now people ask me all the time when I go to shows, like, how do you put the glitter on? How do you put the glitter on? It's a million ways you can put the glitter on. I personally like to use glitter primer. That's what it's made for. You can also use glitter glue. I have tried the lash glue method of applying the glitter. And with the lash glue, it's kind of cool because when you want to take it off, you can just like peel off the glitter. So it kind of just pops off. So that's kind of cool with the lash glue. But in this video, I just went in and dampened the lid with the lash primer. And when I went on top of it with the glitter just stuck right to that wet surface. If you put on some concealer, which is wet, and put glitter on that, it's going to stick to that. So basically it's going to stick to anything that's wet. So when you're doing this, you want to make sure that your foundation and everything is set, because if you apply the glitter and it falls onto your face and your face is wet, it's going to want to stick to your face. So when everything is set, if it falls on your face, you can just take a dry brush and just brush it away. So this is the finished look, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I sure did. And I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And it's a wrap, y'all.